Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the justification feature in Steelray Project Analyzer. I have a simple scorecard report here with just two checks, missing predecessors and missing successors. And when I run it, I will find that there is one task that's missing a successor. And you can probably guess what it is. It's that final project completion. In the successor column, you don't have a successor because it's the last one in the file. So I will show you here, I've inserted a column, it's actually the text 3 custom field, and I've renamed it Missing Successor Justification. And so what we're going to use that text column for is if you put any text in there, like an X or the word yes, doesn't matter, then you will tell Analyzer to ignore it for this particular check, missing successors. But to do that, you have to modify the criteria. And so we're going to go into the criteria manager and we'll load up missing successors. Here it is. And we'll go into this justification column and we're going to say to look in justification, look for text in field text 3, and also that basically treat justified tasks as invisible during the scoring for missing successors. And then we of course save it, and the final thing we have to do is we got to make sure that this is checked, allow justification. Okay, so allow justification is checked. We went into missing successors and told it that the column is text 3. We went into the project and we put some text inside of text 3 for that final activity. And when I click Analyze, what should happen is this time it should say missing successors, 0 tasks. We will also show a red J here, and we'll tell you that there is one task that was justified. And if you even want to see it, you can click on this yellow highlighter and it'll take you into the project file and show you that it was justified. That is justification in Project Analyzer. The only thing that I didn't show, I'll go back into the criteria manager, is what happens when we undo that checkbox. And so if I go into justification, actually, if we change this to justified tasks are scored normally, what happens here? What is the difference? So I'm going to save it, I'm going to run it, and you will see a difference. This time when I run the scorecard, it does match one task, and it does tell you though that one task would have been justified. So now you're getting the score that you would if no tasks were justified, but it's actually telling you that some justification exists. And this is just a quick way to run it in both modes, with and without justification, without having to change the project column.